Luna has rebounded by more than 18%. Over the past few hours, the TD Sequential Indicator anticipated the bullish impulse. Further buying pressure could push Terra to $90 or higher. Terra's native token Luna is rebounding swiftly after suffering losses over the past few weeks. The global cryptocurrency market cap tumbled below $2 trillion early last week, and Luna is one of several assets that saw sharp losses. The Layer 1 token has seen its price drop by nearly 37% since April 5, going from a high of $119.50 at the beginning of the month to a low of $75.55 early this morning. However, Terra appears to have gained enough liquidity for a significant rebound despite the steep correction. The Tom DeMark Sequential Indicator presented a buy signal on Luna's 12-hour chart as prices dipped below the 200-hour moving average. The bullish formation developed as a red 9 candlestick, which is indicative of a 1 to 4 12-hour candlestick upswing. The optimistic outlook appears to have been validated, as Terra broke through the $83 resistance level. Further buying pressure around the current price levels could push Luna toward $90. If Terra manages to overcome this hurdle, the gains could extend to $95 or even $100. It is worth noting that Luna must continue to trade above its 200-hour moving average at $78 on the 12-hour chart. Breaching such a crucial support area could encourage investors to exit their long positions to cut losses. In such a case, the potential spike in selling pressure could push Terra down to $67. At the time of writing, Terra, the ninth biggest crypto by market cap, was trading at $76.49, after sliding by 6.42% in a day and losing 13.63% in a week. However, this isn't simply a weekly setback, as traders would know that Luna is down by almost 36% since April 6, when it was trading at around $117. Indeed, a punch in the face for bulls. However, it's vital to check if this roller coaster of emotions and prices is about to throw traders for another loop. A glance at TradingView's Relative Volatility Index revealed that volatility was below 50. This indicates that volatility is likely to be towards the downside and shows a potential selling signal. One important thing to note here is that Luna's fall in price comes despite the Luna Foundation guards plans to acquire more Bitcoin in $100 million in Avalanche in order to support the reserve for its Terra USD stablecoin. At press time, there was about $2.38 billion in said reserve, whose value slipped by 3.1% in the past days. Another sign to keep in mind is Luna's TVL, which has also been trending downwards since early April. As the TVL fell below the psychological price of $30 billion, investor sentiments were negatively affected. Adding to that, TVL fell below the $26 billion level in the past 24 hours, as it lost 2.81% of its value. Investors keeping an eye on Luna will also be sure to pay attention to the performance. Terra price right now is $91.50, with a 24-hour trading volume of $1.35 billion, market cap of $32.52 billion, and market dominance of 1.67%. The Luna price increased 17.89% in the last 24 hours. Terra reached its highest price on April 5, 2022, when it was trading at its all-time high of $119.42. The lowest price since its ATH was $75.90 cycle low. The highest Luna price since the last cycle low was $91.30 cycle high. The Terra price prediction sentiment is currently bullish. Terra price in US dollar has increased by 1.48% in the last 1 month. Luna is down -2.97% against Ethereum and up 3.47% against Bitcoin in the last 1 month. According to our current Terra price prediction, the value of Terra will rise by 0.18% and reach $91.18 by April 23, 2022. According to our technical indicators, the current sentiment is bullish, while the Fear and Greed Index is showing fear. Terra recorded 45% green days with price volatility over the last 30 days. Based on our Terra forecast, it's now a good time to buy Terra. Based on today's classical pivot point, with the value of $86.23, Terra has support levels of $81.16, $71.03, and the strongest at $65.96. Similarly, Terra resistance levels are at $96.37, $101.44, and $111.58. To get a better idea of what could happen to the Terra price in the future, it's helpful to also explore Terra's price history. In the last month, the Luna USD pair is up 1.43%. The one-year performance of Luna USD is 472.13%.
There's no going back. You stepped across the final crack, and we see through you. You'll always be a part of the circus. Cause we